Hello everyone. Today we will discuss cultivation practices of black pepper. Myself, Professor Y.R. Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. First of all, black pepper, it is known as king of spice, black gold. It is an important crop growing in India. It has a good market demand and export demand in all over India. Botanical name of black pepper is Piper nigrum, family Piperaceae, origin Western Ghat of India, genus Piperus and species nigrum. Chromosome number of black pepper is 2n is equal to 52. It is a self-pollinated crop. Type of fruit. Type of fruit is it a berry type of fruits? You can see the picture of some fruits of black pepper. Some important health benefits of black pepper is aids to digestion, manage respiratory problems, anti-cancer activity, regulates blood pressure and cholesterol, healthy brains, heart and teeth, helps to maintain skin alignments. It is also useful for blood purifier, help in weight loss, normalize three hummers. Soil requirement for black pepper cultivation. Black pepper is a plant of humid tropics requiring high rainfall and humidity. The hot and humid climate of sub-mountains tracts of Western Ghat is ideal for cultivation. Average temperature for black pepper cultivation is 10 to 40 degrees Celsius. A warm, sunny weather is most suited for proper ripening, color and quality and high yielding. Well-drained sandy loam soil rich in organic matter and pH range for soil 5 slightly acidic 5.5 to 7 is ideal for black pepper cultivation. Some important varieties of black pepper is Pioneer 1, Pioneer 2, Pioneer 3, Pioneer 4, Pioneer 5, Pioneer 6, Pioneer 7 and Pioneer 8, and some another varieties Subhakara, Purnima, Srikara. These are the ideal varieties for black pepper cultivation. Pioneer 1 is the most important high yielding, not suited to heavy shade areas. Pioneer 2 is good for shade tolerant. Pioneer 3 it is a late maturing variety. Pioneer 4 stable earlier, and Pioneer 5 tolerant to shade. Pioneer 6 is suited to all black pepper tracks. Pioneer 7 suited to all black pepper track also, and Pioneer 8 high yielding, field tolerant and phytophthora roots, rot and dot. Subhakara suited to all black pepper tracks. Purnima late maturing variety of black pepper, and Srikara is suited to all black pepper tracks for plantation. Propagation and planting for black pepper is it is commercially propagated by stem cutting. Time of planting is best time for planting of black pepper is just on one set of monsoon, that is June July. Live standards are used for monocropping of black pepper. Spacing of black pepper is for monocropping is 2.7 meter by 2.7 meter is ideal for black pepper. It's accommodated around 1300 plants per hectare for this spacing. Other standards like coconuts, arecanut, jackfruits and mango tree etc. can also be used as live stands for growing of peppers as an intercrop in coconut orchard, arecanut orchard, jackfruits and mango orchards. This is the propagation method of black pepper. This is the stem cutting. That type of stems are cut and this stem is planted in polythene bags and to give the supports after sprouting of black pepper vines. Training and pruning for black pepper. This is a two different training in black pepper. You can plant it in black pepper in monocrop. That type of training is given. And if black pepper are planted in coconut orchards, so these vines are trained out to coconut's main stem. As the black pepper cutting grow, the shoots are to be tied to the standards at end when the required. When black pepper is trailing on coconut palm, arecanut palm, it is necessary to track restrict their onwards growth, onward growth so as to avoid inconvenience to climber up for harvesting and spraying. For this purpose, when the vertical growth attain 5 to 6 meter, the terminal shoots are to be either pruned or lifted and bent down carefully to avoid breaking. Manures and fertilizer requirement for black pepper. Organic manure at the rate 10 kg per plant is the form of FIM or compost may be applied every year. Fertilizer requirement for black pepper is 100 gram of nitrogen, 40 gram of phosphorus and 140 gram of potash per vine per year may be applied. One third of the dose is applied during the first year and two-third dose during the second year. Full dose is given from third year on and onward. Irrigation requirement for black pepper is irrigation black pepper plant from November to December till the end of March and withholding irrigation till monsoon break, increasing proper yield by about 50%. Harvesting of black pepper. Pepper vines start yielding usually from third to fourth after planting. Wine flowers is May. Wine flower in May June, and it takes 6 to 8 months from flowering to ripening stage. Harvesting is done from end of November to early February. When one or two berry in spike turn bright orange to red color, the whole spikes can be harvested. This is the maturity signs of black pepper. Then yield of black pepper is a well managed and full bearing vines may be yield on average 2 to 2.5 kg of of peppers per plant per year is harvested. Thank you.